Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we dive into the best comparison Fidelity Crypto and other competitors. So looking for best place to trade crypto, let's compare Fidelity Crypto against top competitors like Coinbase and Robinhood. So you can pick the platform that fits your style. With Fidelity Crypto, you benefit from the strong trust and integration with your existing brokerage account. You get access to major coins straightforward from your regular Fidelity dashboard. There are no separate trading commission, just a small embedded spread of around 1%. You are backed by a major financial institution. On the other hand, Coinbase offer a much wider range of cryptocurrencies and more advanced tools, though fee can range from about 0.5% to 4% depending on how much you pay. Meanwhile, Robinhood keeps things simple and straightforward, together with beginner friendly with zero visible commission, but often has a higher spread and fewer crypto features in times. So if you value simplicity, trust, and ease of use with your crypto trading in the same place as your regular investment, Fidelity Crypto is a strong choice. But if you want access to tons of altcoin or advanced trading tools, Coinbase or Robinhood might suit you better. So if you found this helpful, hit the like, subscribe for more quick finance breakdown, and drop comments. Let me know which platform you are leaning towards. And that's it.